Kev, you want to see this, Kev?
Yeah. Before you fuck up now. Blood all over the boat.
We operated on the damn fish.
I had this one customer, every time someone gets fucked up, he screams, "Wasn't me!" He's on the other side of the boat one night in here. "Wasn't me! Wasn't me!" Like, you get accused of shit a lot? Yes. Wonder why. Right? Wasn't me.
That's a nice chubby guy.
He's the slot tournament winner.
Yes.
That will win a tournament.
Pro George, what are you doing?
I wanted to stop and then start a new video.
Oh, so you can get your on YouTube?
Yeah, so I can get my prize on YouTube.
Skip ad button. Skip ad button.
Yeah, I don't know how to do all that shit. You know, connect the loops and whatever. We moving?
Good over there. Yeah, look. It worked.
What happened to it?
You had it all tangled.
It wasn't tangled.
Yeah.
You tangled it.
No.
Let it go.
We had to let all the line out because it was so fucked up. I went so far back on it. It was all bubbled up in one area.
That must have been George's
back and forth.
Holy shit. Good thing you guys ain't in the mafia. Throwing everybody under the bus, going to prison.